In a world that constantly rewards intelligence, we often forget something even more powerful: kindness. Being smart can impress people, but being kind can change lives. So, is being kind really more important than being smart? I believe the answer is yes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aii Mao Tse Tong, and I am from Kid 12B NTT campus. Today, I am so excited to share my thoughts on why kindness outweighs intelligence. But first, I would like to define two key words. The first word is intelligence. According to the Oxford Dictionary, it is the ability to learn, understand, and think logically. While the second word is kindness. It is defined as the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Now, I would like to bring up three main points. The first point is, kindness builds real relationships. Being smart can earn admiration, but being kind can earn trust. Because at the end of the day, people are more drawn to kindness. Furthermore, it brings teamwork together. Because a kind person listens with an open mind, which often leads to better results than working alone. You must remember this. A team doesn't just succeed because of one genius, but because the members support each other. So, if you're smart but unkind, teamwork can often lead to a chaos. So, kindness is what allows us to socialize and connect with people all around us. My second point is, kindness is essential in the world of business and work. People don't only work with the smartest person in the room, but they work with someone that's caring and trustable. Even if you've graduated Harvard or got a PhD, it will still be difficult to get hired or lead a company if you lack kindness. So, business owners aren't just looking for high IQs, but they're looking for an empathetic, reliable, and trustworthy partner. Lastly, the world needs empathy and not just information. We already have a lot of brilliant minds like Albert Einstein or Thomas Edison. But intelligence opens a door. And kindness is what keeps that door open. Without kindness, intelligence loses its purpose. Just look at our world today. We're more advanced than ever before. We have endless knowledge and powerful technology. Yet, conflicts and wars still happen. This shows us something important, that knowledge alone is not enough, and that without kindness, misunderstandings grow and conflicts become harder to resolve. So, in conclusion, being kind is far more important than being smart. It doesn't just benefit us, it benefits everyone around us. What the world truly needs aren't just intelligent minds, but compassionate hearts. I used to think that being smart was everything. But now I know that people don't remember you for how smart you are, but they remember you for how kind you are. So my speech has now come to an end. Thank you everyone so much for listening.